Back to the channel, and again in the garage we're going to do the Redline tuning hood struts. We will get these installed for the Shelby GT350. They come packaged in this tube here. Some instructions, a bit, all the hardware. Got the struts here. We'll see how these work. Heard good things about them. So we will get these installed. And yet just another addition to the Shelby. Something that should have been from the factory, you would think. Yeah, so be it. You gotta buy them yourself. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is put this bracket on up here, so pull the washer hose off. Remove that top nut. Right on top. Down, attach that hose right back on there. Next is marking the spot that you drill the battery cover. So I'm gonna mark it right there. See how it works out. I'm gonna take the battery cover off to drill it out. We'll see how it lines up. Looks good. So I chose to put a little slit in here so I don't have to remove the strut to get this battery cover on and off. So just make a little slice there and it'll be able to get around that little ball. There we go. So that side's on, now we gotta work on the other side. This side should be a little quicker since you don't have to deal with the battery cover. Top bracket's done. bottom bracket. Bottom one done. Yeah, this is much quicker than the other side. Get it on. Here we go. That should be it. Both sides installed. Make sure everything clears and works right. Got everything out of the way. We're in business. Now it's all the way shut. Yeah, everything lines up pretty good. With the fenders, both sides look good. Go ahead and pop it. Good deal. Got that done. Last thing, remove the prop rod. Done. That back in there. There we go. Clean look. Well, there goes another project done. Redline tuning, hood struts installed to show off that nice custom headliner by Jeff Copeland. Now there's no prop rod in the way. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Seems like the Redline struts are a good fit. Work well. All right, well that's another project down. Redline tuning hood struts installed just in time for the car season. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, take care.